What is a reaffirmation hearing? Have you ever wondered what happens during a reaffirmation hearing in bankruptcy? This process is important for anyone considering reaffirming a mortgage or other secured debt. Let's break it down. A reaffirmation hearing takes place in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy case. During this court proceeding, the debtor meets with a bankruptcy judge. The main goal is to determine if the debtor should voluntarily agree to continue paying a specific debt that would otherwise be discharged through bankruptcy. Typically, this involves secured debts, like a mortgage or a car loan. When a debtor reaffirms a debt, they are essentially signing a new contract. This means they agree to remain personally responsible for the debt, allowing them to keep the collateral, such as their home or vehicle. The judge plays a key role in this hearing. They assess whether reaffirming the debt is in the debtor's best interest. They also check if the debtor can realistically afford the payments moving forward. Expect the judge to ask questions about your financial situation. This includes your current income, monthly expenses, and any changes that might affect your ability to make payments. It is essential for the debtor to show that they understand what reaffirming the debt means. If they fail to make payments, the creditor can repossess or foreclose on the collateral. They may also sue for any remaining balance owed. Most of the time, these hearings are conducted remotely, either by phone or video conference. The judge will start by explaining that reaffirmation is voluntary. They will also mention that the debtor can rescind the agreement within a specific timeframe if they change their mind. The judge will call each case, ask questions, and then decide whether to approve or deny the reaffirmation agreement. Debtors can also ask questions about the judge's decision during the hearing. It is important to remember that reaffirmation agreements must be filed within 60 days after the first meeting of creditors. They should include a cover sheet that explains the debtor's ability to pay. If the debtor's expenses exceed their income, they will need to explain how they plan to manage payments without causing financial strain. In the context of bankruptcy and mortgage foreclosure, reaffirmation hearings are especially relevant. If a debtor wants to keep their home, reaffirming the mortgage debt is often necessary. The hearing ensures that the debtor is making an informed decision and can maintain payments to avoid foreclosure. Reaffirmation hearings serve as a safeguard for debtors. They help protect individuals from agreeing to payments they cannot afford. However, reaffirming a debt means giving up the protection of discharge for that debt. This makes it a serious financial commitment that needs careful consideration.